My friends, I just decided to start this because the Spirit moved me to talk to you. Because I just watch my TV here and see that the United States has 250,000 deaths from COVID virus. It is a staggering, grim milestone. For some who feel that that country has 350 million people and that 250,000 is not a lot, that may be so. But for us in Barbados who know that our population for a very long time was 250,000, more than a decade, it really drives home the fact that the number of persons who have lost their lives in the US equates to literally the size of our population. And the bottom line is that we have to pause and reflect on this thing. And this is in spite of the good news that we received earlier this week, 2 days ago. Pfizer and Moderna both talked about vaccines with more than 95% efficacy that they believe are very promising, and we look forward to that. But in the interim, what we have is people still dying. And among that 250,000 have been Barbadians and other Caribbean people. And as we reflect, I can simply say to you, look, next week is Thanksgiving. And one of the reasons the Spirit moved me to talk to you is to tell you, look, big turkey gonna be there in 2021. You don't need to rush next week and gather beyond what you're supposed to be doing and put yourself at risk. Don't do it. Don't do it. And to the other Barbadians and Caribbean people, not just in the US, but in Canada and the UK and Europe with the holiday season coming up, equally, watch yourself and don't take foolish risk. And to my own people here in Barbados, I hear a lot of people say, we got it. We don't have it. We have it day by day, only if we do the things that are necessary day by day to keep it together. And I ask each of us to recommit in the same way that I'm not asking you to do what we're not doing as a government. This afternoon, for about 5-6 hours, I met with the Ministries of Health and Tourism and the hospital and different other people, trying to allow us to look and see how we can do better that which we've been doing for the last 9-10 months. Because there's nothing you do for that length of time that at some point people don't become complacent in. And therefore, we're just trying to reset and refocus and make sure that we do not drop our guard, that while we've done well so far, we must continue to do better. And who does better? Each and every one of us playing our part. And that's why you take the time to talk to the people around us and explain to them what we expect of them in our families, in our communities, in our workplace, in our churches, all over. Because we can get it, but we can only get it if we do this day by day by day. So my brothers and sisters, especially those who are in the diaspora and who have known people among those 250,000, take time next week and don't do foolishness. We know all the basics, the mask, the sanitizing, the social distancing, the no large gatherings. More than ever, it means something, especially with this second wave. So take care of yourself, be safe there and here, all of our people, and bless up. As I said, the Spirit moved me only because of what I saw on TV, and I just feel the need to reach out and talk with you. Thank you. Bless up.